What's up and welcome back to today's video, guys. And today I'll be showing you how to draw on your screen while in a Zoom meeting. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure you can do this yourself and that this works the same for you. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the Zoom application if you haven't already. After opening up Zoom guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can either create a new meeting or you can join an existing meeting, you can see your schedule and so on. So guys, what we want to do is go ahead first and join a meeting where we are the host. You can either join a meeting by the meeting ID. We currently do not have a meeting, so I'm going to go ahead and create a new meeting for us. So guys, after creating the new meeting, you can see I'm currently in our meeting. Here, let's say that I'm sharing my screen. So guys, the first thing you want to do to be able to draw on your screen is to share your screen. And you want to do that guys by clicking this green button in the lower corner in the middle called share screen. So guys, go ahead and click on that. And after clicking on that guys, choose what kind of screen you want to share. I'm just going to share my screen normally, and then go ahead and click on the blue share button. After sharing guys, you can see here is a preview of how your screen looks to everybody that is watching your Zoom. So guys, what we want to do to start drawing on our screen is do the following. You want to go ahead and put your mouse in the upper corner right here and find this option right here called annotate. Guys, go ahead and click on the annotate button. And clicking on annotate guys, here you can see that you have multiple options such as drawing some text or typing text, drawing some figures, whatever you want. You can use the eraser or whatever you need. Let's go ahead and draw something guys. Click on the draw button, select any option you want, and just go ahead and let's draw tutorials. As you can see guys, you can draw whatever you want. If you're not satisfied guys, you can take the eraser and erase what you want. You can either redo or clear. You can then clear the whole screen if you are not satisfied, and then you can leave out of the annotations to stop drawing. So yeah guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.